So I got this apple slicer in March of 2020, back when we were just buying all kinds of random things trying to fill our time, and it's worked really well. It slices it into 8 uniform pieces. It's a nice ergonomic handle, and it's held up. We use it almost every day. It works great on small to medium, even some large apples. Sometimes you have to wiggle it a little bit. They are sharp stainless steel blades, and you can see it just slices, then you just can pluck them right up. Pretty safe, removes the core, and you're able to get more of the apple, and it's great for snacks or dipping. You can easily take them all out. Super easy. It is dishwasher safe and works really well. The still cutting good after 2 years of use. Makes snacking well, and it's not as wasteful either. Perfectly cut apples with this product, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.